Now what internet means is, what your school means is, the present level of schooling, what it means is, cram yourself with all kinds of things. You pay attention to everything, you know what is inside a frog, how a frog's liver looks. What are you going to do with this? I'm saying every high school child is cutting open a cockroach and a frog, what for? I'm saying when you bring up children with this level of cruelty, a live frog, you open it up and enjoy his heart beating. What are you made of, I'm asking? You call this science? I call this inhumanity. I call this absolutely senseless way of raising your children. Oh no, we learnt so much. If they've learnt so much, that is enough. Show it on a computer how a heart beats. Where is the need for everybody to open up a live animal nailed to a piece of wood? Almost all of you have done it, right?
It was traumatic. Yeah, I was traumatized.
No, I'm saying we call this education,
Yeah,
a heartless education. What is the point of a heartless education? If you do this kind of education, you'll create a heartless society, which you're seeing in so many different ways. We are training children to become brutes. See, if I can nail a frog to this wooden platform, cut him open when he's still alive and screaming, and look at his heart and how it beats, I enjoy it, and I fiddle around with his liver. I'm saying, at another level, why can't I pick one of you and do the same thing? Only because there is a law, I may be stopping, isn't it? Yes or no? That's what it amounts to, isn't it so? Only because there is a law against it, I may be stopping. A law cannot make us human beings. A law can control a few things in the society. This will not shape human consciousness. Because human beings experience themselves in a certain way, we thought of bringing that in the form of law. But law will not make a human being. If you are human, you will naturally be in a certain way. This must come forth. If you want to bring up your children, if they're still below 5–6 years of age now, the best thing to do is not expose them to all these things, expose them to life. When I say life, there is nature, there is insect, there is animal, there is worm. I'm telling you, these creatures are far more important than you. Tomorrow, if all the insects disappear, you have… the entire life on this planet will cease to exist in about 4 to 5 years' time. Do you know this? If all the worms disappear, the entire life on this planet will cease to exist in approximately 18 months to 24 months. When somebody calls you a worm, you must understand they're saying you're a very important life. But if all the human beings disappear tomorrow morning, this world will flourish. So we must understand, we are not the only life. We are here as a product of all this life evolving to this place. We must at least show some sign of evolution, isn't it? We are supposed to be the peak of evolution on this planet. Should we not show that we are little better than them?
Right.
But we are not showing this simply because we are screwed up with our scriptures, our textbooks, our teachings. No, please expose them to life. Child will understand life perfectly well.